Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Iplayer leMamelodi Sundowns bafethu uReynas elwashayo amagoli bengikwaziwa ukuthi ulimele ku-injury but manje kuphuma ama-report kuthiwa-ke unama-chest pains noma ngithi ama-chest infections bafethu or infection. So simfisela inhlanhla umfethu bafethu ukuthi abuye fast. I know it's not a good thing ukuthi umuntu abe ngaphandle angadlali abukele i-team yakhe noma kuwama-chest pains lawa amphethe or infection yakhe simfisela inhlanhla bafethu. Akukho right ukuthi umuntu i-health yakhe ingabi right overall bafethu. So I think ama-fans weMamelodi Sundowns azomdinga umfowethu because of baya ku-CAF Champions League la bazodlala khona. I think ne-team yaseNigeria if angenzi iphutha kuthiwa-ke is expected ukuthi-ke uzobuya laphana second leg. I-first leg maybe ngeke abe available unless uzo-recovera fast because of ama-first legs adlala this upcoming weekend on next weekend or so. So yeah, i-match fitness level yakhe kusho ukuthi isasephansi, that is why engekho, that is why bamreplaceile laphana kuBafana Bafana, replace Evidence Makgopa is nesting that thing. So yeah man, yeah kukho right ngempela for i-professional footballer bafethu into encane nje yakuphazamisa laphana and impact ama-performances wakho laphana inside the field of play. So indaba lezi siyitholayo ngoReynas azikho right. So medical team obviously team etop efana neMamelodi Sundowns experience ngezinto izokwazi ukumaneja ama-situation nama-conditions wakhe umfethu ukuthi abe right. Bazomonitor every day, bamnike konke akudingayo, babheke nama-routines wakhe akwazi ukubhalansa ukuresta kwakhe nama-exercise light and then kancane kancane a-regain ilokhunjana i-fitness yakhe, a-train-ke ne-team and then in no time uzobe ebuyile if ngeke aphazamiseke overall. Yeah, but-ke optimistic ukuthi uzoba khona, is expected to be available, meaning ukuthi-ke uzojoin i-full training ingasikudala or after i-first leg of i-CAF Champions League. But-ke sobona. So without yena laphana uReynas kuMamelodi Sundowns i-attack yakhona i-off ish because abanaso i-solid striker abasithembayo. uReynas number one laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns in terms of i-strike. Ukhona uPeter Shalile, yes uyawasha amagoli siyamazi. Ukhona uLebo Mothiba, but he's not a proven goal scorer ebholeni lase-Africa overall. He's still trying to figure things out laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. So akusumdlali lona kuMamelodi Sundowns bazo-expect ukuthi uzoba-delivela kakhulu. Maybe uPeter Shalile-ke this time around uzothola i-opportunity yokuthi akwazi ukuqala i-game noma ama-game. Then khona umfana uBennett Mokoena, yes, Bennett Mokoena. Bampromote from laphana i-DDC team yeMamelodi Sundowns. Maybe bazomnika ama-opportunities ukuthi adlale laphana ku-number 9 but-ke solinda sibone ukuthi bazomnika na ama-opportunities because of if like ama-senior strikers anenkinga, so i-opportunity for umfana ukuthi naye aphakamise isandla sakhe azibonakalise ngempela ukuthi ukhona overall. Sobona ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns laphana phambili izokwazi ukudominate without yena uReynas, but iMamelodi Sundowns ine-team e-powerful overall engakwazi ukudominate nanoma yiphi game. But-ke into ebahluphayo nje ibhola laka-Inacio Miguel, maybe technically aba-connect no-coach, but maybe once they get that right bazokwazi ngempela ukudeliver. So masibheke uReynas bafethu, is not just i-player nje kuphela, i-player eli-strong elilwayo. I mean simbone elwa noMbokazi kakhulu lapha, the aggression, i-physical aggression akayisabi, is up for that thing, is ready to pounce, is ready to deliver for the team, is ready even to stretch ama-defend, create ama-spaces for ama-teammates wakhe, ama-run wakhe well-timed, uyakwazi ukulinka laphana nama-midfielders ku-attack. I mean i-combination yakhe noLucas Ribeiro bafethu ngesikhohle basibonise ey'bukwayo ngempela. I mean ku-transition maybe iMamelodi Sundowns without him izoba slow because of uReynas uhlakaniphe kakhulu laphana phambili. Maybe bazoleka that final punch because makukhona yena ukuhlezi a-create i-danger bafethu for iMamelodi Sundowns. Ama-defender-ke maybe anga-anticipate ukudlala easy kangcono without uReynas because uReynas mekhona i-presence yakhe strong ngempela bafethu. So uyahlupha loya muntu loyo. But-ke overall well iMamelodi Sundowns ine-squad esingakwazi ukureplace uReynas. When they are playing to their full ability, then they can deliver amagoli. But yeah, i-football bafethu is more of a mental state than, or ngithi psychological thing than a physical thing because kunezinto kumele udominate. Kufana uma udlala e-Africa kunama-tactics abazoza nawo, time wasting, bafuna ukuni-frustrate banitholise ama-yellow card unnecessary, bafuna ukuthi ni-react kanti akumelanga ni-react. So Reynas unayo leyo experience leyo yokudlala ku-continental level, so it's not too reactive. Naku-FIFA Club World Cup simbonile ukuthi uyenzeleni Mamelodi Sundowns, ngabe ushaya i-hat-trick but-ke baka-offside kwelinye and then kwelinye walibamba ngesandla. So umdlalo okwaziyo ukuwuthola kuma-dangerous places, iyo into abazoyikhumbula kakhulu ngaye laphana. The stakes couldn't be higher bafethu. Mamelodi Sundowns izodlala i-qualification or i-second prelim round laphana ku-FIFA, kulona mani ku-CAF Champions League ne-Remo Stars. So it's not gonna be a pushover because i-team ezoza ne-aggression kule fixture le home and away. Ma-conditions-ke maybe ukutravel azoba i-big factor laphana overall. I mean, Reynas meyebuya or mengakwazi ukuba available ku-first leg and second leg, but kuthiwa uzoba available ku-second leg, uzokwazi ngempela ukusiza iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi mhlawumpe ikwazi ukuwina comfortably ku-aggregate. Yeah, I mean, sobona because they might struggle without him because i-number 9 uye umuntu owashayo ngempela amagoli akadlali bafowethu. So if uReynas maybe uyaqala for iMamelodi Sundowns, unga-expect i-direct attack noma kuthiwa iMamelodi Sundowns i-fluidity yabo iyaleka, but-ke yena uyakwazi ukuzi-create-ela izinto laphana phambili for iMamelodi Sundowns kuma-different formation laphana. Umuntu okumele a-connect-e naye kakhulu bafowethu uSantos. Yabo uSantos lo ofikile omusha, lo a-good pass off the ball, une-flair, but obviously it's not the aggression of Lucas Ribeiro, but-ke once ba-connect-a kahle because uSantos is a good passer off the ball overall laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Sobona bafethu, yeah. Takeaway, I think iMamelodi Sundowns, they're not doing well by the way. Emabanga ba-knock out ku-continental level, ku-prelim round, ayibo ngaba i-disaster. Akwenzeki kuMamelodi Sundowns, leyo nto yenzeka yagcina, I think yagcina 2016 if angilenzi iphutha la ba-knock-wa out khona and then babuya because i-AS Vita yadlalisa umuntu ngathi bekangarejistwanga kahle ukuthi adlaliswe, kwasha kwacima, so basurvive ngaloko nje overall, yabo. So yeah, I'll be expecting to Reynas ukuthi abuye. I mean, for me, I've said this before, which is the best striker laphana for iBafana Bafana. As even for me, it's better than uFoster. uFoster mangibheke i-record lakhe ngibheke la ka-Reynas, ngibheke i-play ukuthi ucontribute kangakanani lo muntu lona laphana ethimini. Reynas is better, is way better than ulokhu njani uFoster, but ukuthi uFoster udlale eNgilandi, so ngoba udlale eNgilandi he'll be preferred than uReynas. But uReynas mawunayo, une-fighter, une-warrior, nomuntu ngempela o-eda i-depth enkulu kakhulu bafowethu laphana ethimini, and umuntu okwaziyo ukuyisiza i-team kuma-different departments. So that is why iMamelodi Sundowns izowisha, izothandaza ukuthi lo mdlali lona ku-recovery process yakhe angabi affected, because mengaba affected ngempela bazoba nenkinga. They cannot afford ukumbona engaphandle laphana, ahlala isikhathi eside ngaphandle, bayamdinga ngempela continental level, even locally, ukuthi izinto zilokhu ziqhubeka ziba smooth. Mikel Cardoso under pressure serious, so bayayidinga i-experience efana neyaka-Reynas, umuntu ngempela ozobasiza. Sinifisela inhlanhla, danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.